Dumpster rental service in Porter, Texas. Need a dependable dumpster rental service in Porter, Texas? Chunk and Dump provides high-quality dumpster rentals at affordable rates. Our dumpsters are perfect for home renovations, yard cleanups, and construction sites. We ensure timely delivery and pickup to keep your project on schedule. We make the rental process easy with transparent pricing and flexible rental options. No matter the size of your project, we have a dumpster to handle the job. We take waste disposal seriously at Chunk and Dump, offering eco-friendly and responsible solutions. We proudly serve Porter, Texas, with efficient and reliable dumpster rentals. We are committed to making your waste disposal experience simple, efficient, and cost-effective. Whether you're working on a minor home project or managing large-scale commercial waste, we have the perfect dumpster for you. With our well-maintained dumpsters and professional service, you never have to worry about delays or hidden costs. Our team is here to assist you from start to finish, ensuring your rental experience is seamless. No matter the project size, we ensure your waste is handled correctly and disposed of according to local regulations. We take pride in keeping Porter, Texas, clean and clutter-free for homeowners and businesses. For a hassle-free dumpster rental service in Porter, Texas, call 936-290-3478 today and let us help you manage your waste efficiently.